This is the infamous Soi Cowboy street in Bangkok. I'm going to swing around and walk down the street from the other side. You'll notice it's mostly just bars and go-go's, but it makes for an entertaining walk. Then I'll head on over to Nana Plaza, which is another popular adult-oriented drinking spot here in Bangkok. Alright, now it's time to walk on over to Nana Plaza, which is about 15 minutes or so away down Sukhumvit Road. I'll speed this part up so it should only take a minute or so to get there. See you there. So this is Nana Plaza, which bills itself as the world's largest adult playground. Just like Soi Cowboy, it's mostly go-go's with a few normal-ish bars, such as the one I'm in now. It's on Soi 4 in Sukhumvit, which has loads of places to eat and drink. And as you saw, it's not a far walk from Soi Cowboy. Alright, so that does it for this rather interesting part of town. If you're in Bangkok and you don't have any young ones with you, it's worth checking it out at night just to see it. There's plenty of more traditional bars and night spots in this area over on Soi 11 and some of the other streets, so it's not all like this. If you liked the video and you'd like to see more, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.